Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Intune company portal app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, today I'm going to discuss three solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So first, go to your Google Play Store and then just search for Intune company portal. And then from here guys, just tap on the application. And then from here, when the application have an update, you'll be able to update it here. So the first solution is to make sure you have the latest version. And guys, the second one is just go to the settings. And then in the settings, guys, just go to the apps. And then when you are on the apps, just find Intune company portal. So tap on it. And then after that, guys, just go to the storage. And then over here on the storage, just tap on clear cache and also clear data and tap on OK. And then from there, you will be able to fix the issue on the application. And guys, the last and third option that you have to solve this issue is to reinstall the application. So first, just uninstall the app. And then once it is uninstalled on your device, you can just go ahead and go to the Google Play Store again and install the application again. And then from there, you will be able to use Intune Company Portal without any issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!